Cheese.
How was your nap?
Tell Sissy, how was your nap? Did Theo go night-night with you? Did Theo go night-night with you? Whoops, be careful.
Did Theo go night-night?
Peanut? Oh. There's a half yawn.
Are you sleepy, Ryan?
Did the birdies wake you up?
No.
No birds, right? No tweets.
Oh. Are you stretching a little bit? How are you doing? What's in your mouth?
Yeah.
Looked like something was in there. Your hair is beautiful.
What do you say?
You have bedhead?
Tumor.
Really?
Is Theo in there with you?
Where's
Theo's still
Theo?
sleeping?
It's a body.
Oh.
Bad Theo, why?
No.
Huh?
Is there light? Do you see the sun?
Let there be light.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the sun. It's not out. No, kind of. Oh my goodness. Wow. Can you stretch? Baby Trey? Where?
Daddy.
Doggy. Yep. Yeah, there's your doggy. You showing Sissy? Show Sissy doggy.
Oh, I like that doggy. What noise does the doggy make?
A daddy. Oh.
Woof.
Wolf.
Do you see a frog in there, honey? Do you have a frog? Do you have a frog?
Is there a frog in your bed?
Can you show Sissy your frog?
There's
Ah, there's your frog.
a black beach, a beach.
Oh. Is that so?
You actually have two frogs, don't you?
Do you have another frog?
No, thank you.
Oh, really?
Do you have a bunny? Where's your bunny? Show Sissy your bunny. Your rabbit.
Where's your rabbit? Is it in the bed? Is it in Ryan's bed?
Not your book, honey. Your animal.
Where?
No,
No bunny?
bunny.
No bunny. You do.
You said no bunny?
Here, let me show you. This is your bunny. Is this a bunny? Is that a bunny?
Bunny.
Yeah.
Bunny.
I didn't realize I had a
Where are the bunny's ears? The bunny has big ears? Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Ears. Well, that's a furry bunny.
I got bunny too.
Oh, really? Where's Theo? Really? Is Theo sleeping?
I can see the wicked.
Oh, really?
The wicked.
Is that so?
Oh,
What are you checking out?
What are you doing?
the wicked.
Mm-hmm. Is Arby in there too?
Can I?
But I did.
What did Arby do?
Aw. Yeah, Theo going night-night?
Is Theo going night-night? Oh, I see Theo is sleeping.
The bunny.
And the bunny too?
The
Oh, the bunny.
bunny.
Mm-hmm. Are you putting the bunny to bed too?
The bunny. Oh. The daddy.
It's a doggy. Doggy go night-night with Theo?
I like it.
Night-night, Theo. Are you covering him up so he can get some nice rest? Oh, yes. Wow.
Night, daddy.
Night-night, doggy. Oh, you're such a big girl, Ryan.
Baby dies.
Where's the baby?
Here.
Where's your baby?
There's your baby. She gonna go to sleep too? Oh, everybody's got to go to sleep under that big blanket. Night night. You got a lot going on in that crib. No wonder you have so much fun in here. And you don't cry or anything. Baby, you got to go over there.